Welcome to our channel. Today I am here to present you one of the topic which is basically from the electrical domain, right? So what we have done in this is basically controlling a system by maintaining its voltage. Mostly in the electrical systems, the voltage sag and swell is one of the problem which is there. So for removing that, number of algorithms has been proposed, but as per the literature study, it is proven that by using the FACT devices, that is D-STATCOMs or you can say the DVRs, these are playing an important role for maintaining the voltage at the output end. So in the same chain, what we have done, we have implemented it with the D-STATCOM models, but not only D-STATCOM or DVRs, because it is already done by number of researchers. So the improvements are done in this. So what basically we have done, we have implemented the model in which one without D-STATCOM is analyzed. Firstly, the system without D-STATCOM is analyzed. Then D-STATCOM with PI controller is done. Thirdly, D-STATCOM with the fuzzy controller is being used, right? So that to represent, because our main motive was to defend that fuzzy controller is doing an additional job in controlling the voltage sag and swell, because the conditions and the rules and regulations are being given by the developer and is in dynamic in its nature, because it is intelligent enough to take the decisions, right? Similarly, the same all three cases have been done with the DVRs, so that we can prove that which combination is providing the better results to control the voltage sag and swell, right? So this is the model in front of you that we have designed here. Firstly, network is being designed, that is a three-phase source. Along with that, we have split it into two networks, one is without D-STATCOM, second with D-STATCOM. Here you can see the D-STATCOM block is over there. In this we have combined the fuzzy logic controller, which is controlling the output voltage sag and swell by the model that is designed at the back end with the fuzzy controller designing. So this is the model in which the D-STATCOM with fuzzy is being done and without D-STATCOM is done. When I have run this, the simulation was already done, so that the video time will not exceed with respect to its foundations. So you can see here the results. Here the faults are being considered. We also did the comparative analysis by considering the different faults in the three phase, with the single phase, with dual phase and with three phase. So all the three combinations of the fault are being analyzed. So you can see here during this time duration the fault is over there, and this is without D-STATCOM and this is with D-STATCOM along with the fuzzy controller. So the voltage is very much good in this case. Second model is basically with the PI controller, right? So you can see here with the D-STATCOM a PI controller is being used, and the simulation for this is also done with and without D-STATCOM. So you can see here the peaks of the voltage are not that much higher with respect to the idle model, but whereas in the fuzzy logic controller it was bit higher. You can see the values, it is going above 1, and here in second case it is below 1. So it is proving that the fuzzy system is much effective with respect to the PID controllers, because even the PID controller systems are also being tuned by the fuzzy controllers. So obviously this is an advancement to the traditional system, and an analysis of the FACT devices are also performed. So number of modifications are also possible in this system. To get new ideas and the modification possibilities, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this will help you in the new research topic selection and for the advancement in the current systems. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice